to buy an S&P 500 index fund on the Fidelity app. Want to invest in the top 500 U.S. companies with just a few taps? Let me show you how to buy an S&P 500 index fund using the Fidelity app. Super easy, even for beginners. First, open the Fidelity app and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up right from the app. Next, tap the Mine Trades tab at the bottom of the screen, then choose Mutual Funds or Stocks, yeah, ETFs, depending on how you want to invest in the S&P 500. Now, in the search bar, type in a popular S&P 500 option like FXAIX, that's Fidelity's own index fund, or SPY if you're going the ETF route. Once you find your fund, tap it, hit Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm your order. That's it. Thanks for watching.